Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin-dollar pair rose 6.3% in the last session, after gaining as much as 7.3% during the session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair fell 0.3% in the last session. The stochastic indicator indicates an oversold market. The pound-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dipped a slight 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Samsung's 3nm chip manufacturing technology is late, but the company also announced its more advanced 2nm successor will arrive in 2025. London has retained its dominance as the most attractive European IPO venue by funds raised in the third quarter, continuing the deal momentum witnessed in the previous 2 quarters and reaching new record highs. Indian cryptocurrency exchange CoinSwitch Kuber said it had raised over $260 million at a valuation of $1.9 billion, underscoring the rise in popularity of crypto trading in the country, even as government policy remains unclear.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. continuing jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT. The U.S. initial jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. Germany's industrial production at 0600 GMT. The Dutch Consumer Price Index will be released at 0430 GMT. Japan's leading economic index at 0500 GMT. Japan's current account at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.